How to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled. First up, go to the App Store and search for Snapchat. Make sure you do not have the update option and you have the open option beside the Snapchat. If you see the update option, make sure your app is updated. The second option is to go to Settings, to General, to iPhone Storage and scroll until you see Snapchat. Then click on Offload Data and this might help you fix your problem. If the problem is still arising, go to Google Chrome and search for Snapchat support as shown on the screen. Click on the first link and then after the page is loaded, click on the first option that says Using Snapchat. Here you can see many options of filing a complaint to getting started. Click on the search button up there and click on My account is compromised. You can then file a complaint in contact support here blue option that you can see up there, and this is how you can easily fix your problem. We hope this tutorial helped you. Keep watching for more and subscribe to our channel.